We optimized everything. Our calendars, our workflows, our devices. But we never optimized the mind. The digital world rewards speed. Speed creates reaction. Reaction kills strategy. Most people think where they consume. They plan in the same place they scroll. They decide in the same place they compare. Powerful people think somewhere else. They think on paper. Paper has no notifications, no algorithm, no urgency that isn't yours. On paper, time expands. Thought slows down. Noise loses its authority. When you write by hand, your nervous system slows down. Your breathing deepens. Your thoughts become linear. Not scattered, not reactive, linear. Typing captures information. Writing transforms it, because the body is involved. The hand moves slower than impulse, and slowness forces intention. Friction forces clarity. Clarity builds leverage. Leverage builds wealth. Digital tools are infinite. A page is finite. And constraint sharpens thinking. Rituals beat hacks. Structure beats motivation. Because motivation fluctuates, structure compounds. 20 minutes. One page. No distractions. The same place, the same pen, every day. That is where control begins. The question is not whether paper works. The question is whether you are ready to stop reacting and start directing.